DJ Delz.
Funko Pop addicts, what's good? It's your boy DJ Delz. I was walking into Box Lunch and I was surprised they had the Britney Spears Funko Pop. Only had one left. I was lucky enough to pick it up. I do want the other one. That's the GameStop, actually, excuse me, the Target exclusive, but I don't need the t-shirt and all that. I just want to collect the Funko Pops, but this one is pretty awesome. We're going to take her out of the box, bang that thumbs up button for that out of the box look, and of course, subscribe if you're new, if you love Funko Pop. And let's take this one out of the box. And there she is out of the box. Looks awesome. One thing though I gotta critique is this headpiece right here. It kind of takes away from the pop. I know they're trying to keep it authentic, and I'm pretty sure she's wearing the exact same one, but it just takes away from it a little bit. It's just, you focus a lot on that. That's me personally. I think it's because it's so bright over there with that like hot pink vibe. Besides that, really awesome pop. I love how she has that snake. I'm not a snake specialist. Let me know what kind of snake that is. I think it's an anaconda. Correct me if I'm wrong, or co-sign me if I'm right. Leave that in the comment box below. And let me know your favorite Britney Spears song. Top 3 if you want. Top 3 favorites. And I will link in the description box below where you could find this pop. I don't know right off the bat because I didn't even know this released yet. But I definitely will keep digging and trying to find out where you could order this online. So if you are looking for it, I will link it in the description box below. And I'm going to give you a close-up look in just a second. Just want to give you a 360. I need to get one of them like rotating like turntable thingamajiggies for Funko Pop. That would be awesome. I noticed too on her heel, it is translucent right there. So bam, there we go, close up. There's a look at her side profile. I think that the earrings pop nice too. The hits of silver definitely pops. There's a look at her back. There's a look at her other side. One more close-up look at Britney Spears. And there we go with a detailed look. Let me know if you are trying to pick this one up. Let me know how you feel about the pop. Did they do a good job? Could they have done a better job? Leave all that in the comment box below. I will link in the description box below where you can find her. I will try at least, and I'll keep updating it until I find where you can get it online, because I haven't seen it online yet, but I will do my best. Plus, I'll put other Funko Pops that are available now. Some you could order now, some on pre-order and guaranteed mint condition, like the Rick James Funko Pop, the Angus Young Funko Pop from AC/DC, Michael Jordan Funko Pop, Biggie Smalls, and a ton more. I will put a whole list in the description box below for your convenience. If you love podcasts, I have one. Check it out over at patreon.com/DJ Delz. And also, before I forget, I gotta be quiet. I got 2 of these right here for my kids for Valentine's Day. They're gonna love this Funko Pop. I will do a review on it, and I will link this in the description box below also if you're looking for this Hot Topic exclusive. Great gift to give for Valentine's Day. Anyone that's a fan of Lilo and Stitch. I have my t-shirts, link in the description box below. Pick up the Pop Inspired t-shirt. Show that love and support. And if you didn't bang that thumbs up button, please do so. Leave a comment, write I love Funko. Anything helps my channel out so much. Everyone have a great weekend, and I'll catch you guys soon with a new vid. We out.